Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video and welcome to day 12 of my 12 days of Christmas. Today is the very last day of my 12 days of Christmas. As I kind of mentioned in the last couple of videos, it's kind of like that bittersweet feeling. Like I'm really happy to have some time back to myself and not have to worry about getting a video up every single day, but I'm also kind of sad about it. It's a little sad that I'm not going to be doing these anymore. So anyway, for today's video, what I wanted to do was something a little bit different. Kind of like yesterday's video was a little different. Today's going to be a little different also. And we're going to be playing with the Night Before Christmas Memories and More card pack, as well as the Memories and More cards and envelopes. And the reason that I wanted to do this on the last day, I've had, like, this is the one thing that I've had planned since I decided to do the 12 days of Christmas. And the reason being is because if you're anything like me and like to procrastinate, especially during the holidays with holiday crafts and cards and stuff, this is a really, really easy way to get some awesome cards made to give out to your family and friends. So I wanted to do it on the last day, like I said, because it's kind of getting down to the wire of just time to get crafts done, and it's kind of getting crunch time for the holidays. So if you haven't been able to get to it and you really wanted to, this is a really good alternative or easy way to get some stuff done. So because this is also the last day, I am going to be doing my very, very, very last giveaway. Before I tell you what the giveaway is, just as a reminder, I do have 3 other giveaways that are active right now. I'm giving away 2 paper shares for day 6, I believe. Yeah, so day 6 I'm giving away 2 paper shares. Day 7, I'm giving away the Winter Knit 3D embossing folder, or whatever that's called. For day 11, which was yesterday's video, I am giving away a little embellishment pack, which is somewhere on my desk. Here it is. With some just of my favorite embellishments for the moment. And then for today's video, I'm actually going to be giving away the supplies you need to create the projects that we're going to be doing today. So this is the Memories and More Night Before Christmas card pack. So it has all of the cards, and then it has a few sheets of stickers, which we'll get into. I'll show you guys all the good stuff. And then this is the Night Before Christmas Memories and More cards and envelopes, which has all of these card bases and envelopes. So whoever wins this is going to be set up good to go to create some of these really simple cards for their family and friends. So I hope you guys are really going to enjoy this one. It is definitely one of my favorites. The one thing to note, so all of the giveaways prior to this have run for 7 days, I believe. It's either 5 or 7 days. I think it's 7 days. Because we're getting close to actual Christmas, I'm going to put this one only at 4 days, just to give you guys a little bit of time to get in and get your entries in, but also so that I can pick the winner and get this stuff sent out as soon as I can. So just a little tidbit of information for you guys in case you were curious. This giveaway is going to run a little bit shorter than the previous for my 12 days of Christmas. So let's go ahead and jump into this stuff. Really, I'm just going to be kind of putting together some stuff. It's not going to be a ton of like design and things like I normally do for my cards. It's just going to be giving you guys some ideas on what you can do really easily without much effort to get some really awesome cards made. So all I did was kind of pull out, I think it's actually ended up being almost one of each of the different cards that comes in this pack. And then you have, what is this? 6 sheets of stickers. So you have like to and from labels and these little stamps, which are adorable, this little reindeer, a couple of sentiments. And then in the card and envelope pack, you have these envelopes that are pre-scored for you, pre-cut. Literally all we're going to do is put the cards on here, maybe add a couple of stickers, and we're going to be good to go. And then you get these adorable little envelopes also. So you're going to have everything that you need to do this. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit of a different video because I'm just going to kind of put some stuff together with these cards and these card bases. I'm not going to use much else just because I really wanted to show you just with these 2 products what you can kind of create and what your end result can be really easily. So let's go ahead and start crafting away. So I actually kind of got this idea from the catalog. In the catalog, it has this card as one of this card on this card base as one of the kind of sample projects, and I just absolutely fell in love. So my first one I feel like absolutely has to be this one, and the little card just says, to Santa, P.O. Box 1, North Pole. Literally all I'm going to do, and it's probably going to be what I do for a lot of these, is put some Stampin' dimensionals on the back. Just like that. Center it on my card base. Fold it up. Get my bone folder in here. And I'm literally calling that good. In the catalog, it looks like they punched a hole and tied some ribbon in there. I'm not even going to worry about that. I think this looks absolutely adorable. So there's project number 1. I'm telling you, this video is literally going to be that. It's just going to be me picking out some cards. Like, I really love the Santa. So I think I want to do the exact same thing, except I think for the Santa, I just want to put him flat, just to do something a little bit different. So I'm just going to take some snail and another card base and just center Santa on here. Just like that. And let me see, is there a sticker that I maybe want to add? No, I don't think so. I think I'm just going to leave it simple like that. Fold this up. Again, grab my bone folder. And like, guys, there's card number 2. Super simple. And my dogs are going to start barking again. Curly. I'm waiting to see if he's actually going to bark. I can hear a dog outside barking. So that's why he wants to get in on the action. Okay, we're going to roll with it. If they start barking, I'll cut it and we'll come back like I normally do. So that's card number 2. So stinking simple. Again, I love this ho ho ho. So I think I really want to do the same thing. I think I'm going to do this one with some dimensionals. Now it's going to be a lot of dimensionals because it's a large piece. But, I mean, these things are cheap, so. Ooh, you know what I should use are our foam strips. That's probably what I should use. Well, if I find another large one that I want to do, that is what I will use. It's how quickly can I get the backings off of dimensionals today, apparently. So again, I'm just going to center this on my card base. Crease it and voila, another card. Done, ready to go. Let's find another one. Let's find something to use with our little stickers here. I guess I can move this into the center where y'all can see it. I want to use this little reindeer sticker. I just don't know which one I want to use it with. Ooh, maybe this one. Yeah, this is the one. Oops, it's not really where I want him. There we go. Perfect. Let me move my mess out of the way. And then I am going to use my foam strips for this one, just because it's going to be easier than a bunch of dimensionals. Ooh, hopefully I'm going to use my foam strips. I do really, really, really love this ho 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 though, so if you were wondering, I think that is probably one of my faves. So let me grab my other scissors. I'm going to put one piece kind of down the middle just to keep the middle nice and secure and so it doesn't sag. I think this is something that, kind of like when I did the advent calendar, this would be really good if you had like grandkids or like some crafty friends to just buy a couple of these packs and like, hey guys, so nobody stresses out about getting Christmas cards made or get them sent out or whatever. We're just going to come over and we're going to put these cards together. They're going to be super stinking easy to do, and they're going to turn out beautifully. Oh, I really, really like that one. I think the thing that I like most about these, and y'all are going to say, yeah, Lindsay, I know you've told me like 85 times. They're so simple. So simple, but they look really, really, really cute. Okay, I think let's look for one more that I really, really love. I do really love this one. Maybe if we put like this warmest wishes, I think this is the last one I'm going to do. If we put warmest wishes down here on the bottom. Oops. Okay, and then I'm going to do dimensionals again just because I like dimensionals. You guys already know. I'm a dimensional fiend. Excuse me. I think I'm getting a cold. I'm not super excited about it. Perfect. I swear I'm going to have those little dimensional backings all over my office for like eternity now. Oh man. Okay. And then let's center this guy right here. Oh my gosh. I think this one and this one are my two favorites. Oh my goodness, look at how adorable these are. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed my entire 12 days of Christmas. Like I was saying earlier, it was so much fun to create it, and although it was a lot of work and it did really stress me out, I won't lie, I had so much fun doing it. Now the fun part is going to be cleaning up my office because it's an absolute disaster. But I had a lot of fun doing this, and I'm really excited I did. I'm not making any promises for next year, but I will definitely consider it. So don't forget, if you want to get the two products that I just used to make these cards, let me bring in the cards that we made so y'all can see. If you want those two products, just visit the coordinating blog post, which is the first link in the description box below. And that'll take you to, there will be a big old button that says click here to enter, and that'll take you to the giveaway. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and enjoyed my 12 days of Christmas. Don't forget, I have this giveaway and 3 others. So if you're interested, make sure you get in on those, and I will see you guys in the next video. Whenever that is. So I will see you guys then. Bye!